Have you ever stopped to wonder what makes the leaves rustle and kites soar high in the sky? What is this invisible force we call wind? Ah, wind. It's not just air in motion, it's a vital cog in our planet's weather machine. It's an unseen yet powerful natural phenomenon that shapes our world and influences our lives. Think about it. The wind doesn't just carry away your hat on a breezy day or make your wind chimes play music. It plays a much larger role. From lifting kites into the azure sky to pushing gigantic wind turbines, it's a constant yet unnoticed presence in our lives. The wind also helps move weather systems around the globe, bringing rain to parched lands and warmth to colder regions. And let's not forget, it's a major source of renewable energy, powering homes and businesses with clean electricity. So wind isn't just a gentle breeze or a violent storm, it's a compelling natural force that impacts our lives in numerous ways. But what exactly gives birth to wind? What sets air in motion? Well, the answer lies in the relationship between the sun and the earth. You see, our planet doesn't heat up evenly. Parts that receive more sunlight, like the equator, get hotter faster than the polar regions. This uneven heating results in areas of different air pressure. Imagine a party balloon. When it's filled with warm air, it expands. The same happens with our atmosphere. Warm air rises, creating a low-pressure area underneath. Meanwhile, in cooler regions, air is denser, creating high-pressure zones. Now, air loves balance. It rushes from high-pressure areas to fill the low-pressure ones, and voila, you have wind. But there's another player in this game, the Earth's rotation. This rotation deflects the wind's path, a phenomenon known as the Coriolis effect. So the sun and Earth work in harmony to create this invisible force we know as wind. Now that we know what causes wind, let's delve a little deeper into understanding its nature. Wind is a fascinating phenomenon, and its characteristics vary dramatically. It can be as gentle as a whispering breeze or as ferocious as a hurricane. Its speed and direction are influenced by factors like temperature, pressure differences, and the rotation of the Earth. Wind speed is measured using an anemometer, while direction is gauged with a wind vane. The Beaufort scale is used to classify wind strength, ranging from 0 for calm conditions to 12 for a hurricane. Different types of winds have different names. A gentle breeze that you might feel on a quiet afternoon is quite different from the gale-force winds of a storm. Some winds, like the Santa Ana winds in California or the Mistral in France, even have their own unique characteristics and effects. Understanding wind is key to harnessing its power and protecting ourselves from its fury. So, what have we learned about this invisible force called wind? We've traveled a fascinating journey, starting from the birth of wind. We discovered that wind is born from the uneven heating of the Earth by the sun. This disparity creates pressure differences, setting the stage for air to move from high-pressure areas to low-pressure ones, resulting in what we perceive as wind. We then dove deeper into understanding wind and its myriad effects. Wind shapes our daily lives in ways we often take for granted. It influences our weather, carries seeds to new locations, and even powers our homes through wind turbines. But wind doesn't stop at our doorsteps. It plays a vital role in the broader ecosystem, driving ocean currents, shaping landscapes, and enabling birds to fly. So, let's take a moment to appreciate the wind, not as a mere gust of air, but as a complex dynamic force that breathes life into our planet. Wind, a simple yet profound natural force, constantly shaping our world in ways seen and unseen.